Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the problem when you can't delete or uninstall apps on your iPhone running iOS 26 or later. This is a pretty common issue, but don't worry, the fix is simple once you know what to check. So let's get right into it. First, make sure app deletion is actually allowed on your device. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, go into iTunes and App Store Purchases. Make sure deleting apps is set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, that's why you can't remove any apps. Change it to Allow and that should fix the issue for most people. Next, check if the app you're trying to delete is a system app. Some built-in Apple apps can't be fully removed, that's just part of iOS. But you can still hide them from your home screen. For example, if you want to remove the camera app, press and hold it, tap Remove App, then choose Remove from Home Screen. This hides the app without deleting it. If you're dealing with a normal app and still can't uninstall it, try doing it from Settings, open Settings, go to General, then tap iPhone Storage. Wait for the list of apps to load. Choose the one you want to remove, tap Delete App and confirm. This method works even if deleting from the home screen doesn't. If the problem still sticks around, try resetting all settings. To do so, open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your personal data, photos, or apps, but it will reset system preferences like Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, wallpapers, and some settings under accessibility or display. Think of it as giving your iPhone a clean refresh without erasing your content. After the reset, try deleting the app again, it usually works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.